High School Examination 2025, Subject Science. It is board paper held on 21st March 2025. Let us see the answers. Now the question is fill in the blanks and let us see the answers. The potential difference between 2 points are measured by voltmeter. The splitting of light into its component colors is called dispersion simply or dispersion of light. No matter how far you stand from a mirror, your image appears erect. The mirror is likely to be, it may be convex mirror or a plane mirror. A section of DNA that provides the information for one protein synthesis is called gene of that protein. A sexual reproduction takes place through budding in Hydra yeast. Anyone? Next is growth hormone is secreted by the pituitary gland. Now next question is right, true or false. The maximum concentration of chemicals get accumulated in our bodies is called biological magnification. It is true. A wire with a green insulation is usually the live wire of an electric circuit. False. The SI unit of resistance is ohm. True. Myopia is corrected by using convex lens. False. Next question is the speed of light is higher in rarer medium than a denser medium. True. Unsaturated hydrocarbon generally gives a clean flame. False. Now the question is match the column. First, oxygenated blood. It flows in arteries. Deoxygenated blood. It flows in veins. Bisexual flower. It is hibiscus. Unisexual flower. It is papaya. Orange. It has citric acid. Antisting. It contains methanoic acid, that is formic acid. Now the question in one word or one sentence answer. Let us see the first question. What is common name of compound CaOCl2? It is bleaching powder. Which metal does not corrode easily? It is gold or platinum. You can write anyone. What are alloys? It is the homogeneous mixture of two metals or one metal and other is non-metal. This mixture is known as alloys. Which part of brain detects the smell? It is forebrain. What reaction happens at the synapse between the two neurons? It is chemical reaction. Write the commercial unit of electric power. It is kilowatt. It is not a electric energy. So it is only kilowatt or horsepower HP. You can write one of them. Now question is choose and write the correct options. KOH plus H2SO4 equals to K2SO4 plus H2O. It is a double displacement reaction. A solution turns blue litmus to red. Its pH is likely to be 1. It is basic in nature. Which of the following is an example of amphoteric oxide? It is Al2O3. The brain is responsible for thinking, regulating the heartbeat, balancing the body, all of the above. Next is which of the following is not a part of female reproductive system in human? It is vas deferens, the change in focal length of an eye lens by the action of the ciliary muscles. And these are the answers for 1 marks. Thank you.